Gordon Crew. I am Mommy Gordon or Koana Gordon, and we are back with another video here. So the last video you saw us putting together the cornhole boards, and in this video we're going to show you guys us painting the cornhole boards, and also we're going to be making the bean bags for the cornhole boards. Stick around.
So the materials we need is a funnel, a sewing machine, some measuring tape, a marker, a pen, some scissors, some measuring cups, some pellets, some fabric, and
I think it's hiding from you.
And the thread.
Okay guys, so we are ready to make our bean bags. Of course, our colors are going to be red and black. We are huge UGA or Georgia Bulldog fans here. So we're going to be cutting out 8 7x7 inch squares, and we're going to sew those squares together to make our bean bags, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get our measuring tape together, and we can start cutting out these squares. I'm going to move this stuff to the side. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and measure out our 7x7 squares to get ready to sew. All right, so Krista, you can hold this end for me. Hold that end right at the corner for me, okay?
Mommy,
Hold it tight. Bring it to the end just a little bit for me.
Daddy, I thought this is steak. This is a steak.
Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out the black squares, and when we come back, we'll be ready to start sewing. Okay guys, so we've already cut out our 7-inch squares of the black and the red. We're going to go ahead and sew our bean bags together. So we need 2 red squares. Starting off, Christy, give me 2 squares. We're going to put a single stitch in there, and then we're going to go back and do a double stitch afterwards. Alright, and I'm going to start about a half an inch.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Here we go. Just turn it.
Mama, I did. Can I do it?
Press her foot. sweetie. All right, so we're gonna cut this. Thank you, baby. Cut this, and now we'll go ahead and start our second. We gotta do our second stitch first, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, honey bun. Hold on
I'll
one
help
second.
you.
Thank you. Okay guys, so we had a little bit of time filling the bean bags with our homemade funnel. So we've got the bean bag filled. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish stitching it up here.
I can't wait to throw it in a bean bag.
Okay guys, so we got our bean bag sewn up here. So pretty much at this time we're gonna go ahead and finish making the rest of the red and black bean bags, and then after that we're going to paint, so stick around.
So Christy, you're gonna lead the charge, okay?
Wait, do what?
You're gonna lead the charge. So
I'm gonna paint it. It's already blue.
so what color do you want this side, Christy? You want this side black and this inside this triangle red, or this red, this black, and the side black?
This is
You gonna help
black.
paint?
This is red, and this side is black.
All right, come on, let's do. So this is gonna be red, right?
Yeah, no. Oh, this will be red. Black.
This
It's
gonna be
gonna be
black.
black, red, and the other black.
All right, so let's do black first.
It's Ray G.
Please don't get in my hair.
Ready, stay in the tape.
I'm not.
Don't pick the tape, stay in the tape.
I'm not paying. I'm not hard. No. I think we're done.
Alright. No splashing. Kelsey, I didn't say no splashing.
You finished.
Alright, hold your sister real quick, Christy, and pass it up.
Okay guys, so we have already made both of our cornhole boards, and we are in the process of painting them. The kids and the hubby has already did some painting. They left the meticulous painting to me, so I'm going to try to paint this Georgia symbol here. All right, guys, so we have sewn our bean bags together. I got red and I got black here. We've already painted our cornhole boards as well. So we are gonna get ready to play this game. So I got my team black, Miss Christy in the house. And I got my team red, my son Ray in the house. Y'all ready? All right, let's get it, let's go.
You gonna stand right here, Ray?
How
Don't
far
cheat.
is that way?
They far enough. Stand next to Ray, Christy. What are you doing, Casey? You on race? You what's you doing, Casey and Kelsey? You gonna play, Kelsey? All right. Who gonna go first?
Me.
All right. Let's rock paper scissors.
Got you. Got you.
Oh my God, y'all too. There we go. Christy win. Christy go first. All right. Let's go.
So, rules of the game.
Underhand toss. And you gotta get in the hole. Christy, you gonna go first. You gonna throw one bag.
Me.
All right, Ray, your turn. All right, your turn, Christy. All right, your turn, Ray. You gotta hit the board, Ray. Go ahead, Kelsey. Walk up, Kelsey.
All right,
Kelsey, go. Go up, Kelsey. You don't want to throw it?
Let me get mine.
All right. Somebody get it in.
All right, go back.
Go back, Christy.
My turn.
Almost, Christy. Oh, she about to hit it, Ray. Almost. Almost, Christy. All right, first person to make one in wins.
All right, first person make
Come
it
on.
in. Let's go.
Who gonna do it, Ray or Christy?
All right, go, Christy.
Excuse me, Katie.
Oh, almost, Ray. Don't hit your sister.
You missed.
Oh, Curry. Oh, your Ray, almost.
Dang it.
All right, Christy, Ray about to win. You better come on. Almost.
So close. Ah.
All right, hold on, guys. Wait, hold on.
Move, Kelsey.
Oh, Christy.
She cheated.
She did what?
She cheated.
You cheated?
I did. She was right here. No, I didn't.
Ready, set, go.
Move, Kelsey.
Oh, what's the wager?
No, wait.
Okay.
Move, Kelsey, so you can hit the face.
Watch out, Kelsey.
You can get hit in the face.
Watch out, Kelsey. You got one more. Yeah!
Thank you guys so much for tuning in with the Gordon crew, making the cornhole boards and bean bags. We enjoyed ourselves. Until next time.
Like, subscribe, and comment below.